Hello, morning guys. Welcome back to another stream. Happy Wednesday. Feels weird starting for me. It's the start of the week. I feel like today is Monday. But yeah, happy Wednesday. Short week for the market. Um I don't know, but I feel like today it's going to be a great day. I feel like making money today. Making money today. Morning. Ooh, we're finally 800 people here. Well, 800 subs. Yay! I'm closer to my 1,000. Um, I want to get 1,000 subs. I wanted to get it before Christmas, and I think I'm gonna go there before Christmas. So yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you, thank you. Morning, morning, buenos dias. So let's go over my watch list. Okay, so today I have Tesla, NVDA, FDX, Meta, and Coin. So we have five. My favorites are Meta, Coin, and FDX. Those are the one that I love the chart. Well, I think Nvidia and Tesla looks very clean also. Nvidia holding that 420, above 420, it's very bullish. Under 420, it's very bearish. So 420, it's a big level on Nvidia. Um, yeah, 420 on Nvidia, FDX, the 245, 246 level that I've been talking. I think I've been talking the past few days about this break and retest play on FDX, possible break and retest. We need to see FDX holding 245 for that to play out. Meta, the 289 level, it's a big deal. 289. Let's see. We need QQQ for Meta to be able to break 289. I want to see it holding it as support. Not only break 289, but I also want to see it holding it as support. AI? No, I'm not I got out of AI the same day. AI was a day trade. I never saw an AI last week. I'm not on AI. Mm, I think I played AI last week and it was a day trade. Coin, it's been, look, this beautiful weekly bull flag. That I talked about this flag I think last week, and I played like 3 days this uptrend. I'm not on coin right now. I wish I was, but coin filled the gap till 77 that I also talk about. Um, and it's holding 77 right now. So as long as a coin holds 77 as support, which it used to be resistance, now it's above that. I want to see it holding 77. That hold, it's very bullish on coin. So yeah, if coin keeps holding 77 as support, I can see it going to 85. 85 is the next resistance on coin. So I love coin chart right now. Guys, if I told you Ned and Twilio, it's a long-term swing trade. So as I'm not gonna look those two. I said it like 1,000 times. I'm not gonna look those plays. I'm only have alerts on my stop loss. If Twilio or Ned doesn't hit my stop loss, I'm in. Like I always told you, like if doesn't hit my stop loss, I'm in those plays. And I don't need to be looking those plays like all the time. Coin was downgraded. Okay, so but still, coin is holding 77. So as long as it's holding 77, I'm bullish. If it doesn't hold 77, I'm not interested on coin. So 77, it's a big number on coin. Like for me to play coin, I need 77 to hold. So that's the plan for coin. Again, CRM, did it CRM hit my stop loss? I don't think so. If you enter with me on a long-term swing play and I said I'm gonna hold this, I'm not even gonna look the chart unless I have an alert on my stop loss, then is when I'm gonna check if I need to get out or not. So yeah, so you guys need to be patient or don't get into those plays. Okay, so the market is open in 2 minutes. We have Feds talking today, I think at 2 p.m. Eastern. So if you're gonna be trading after lunch, so be aware of that. So right now, I really like how SPY is holding the above the 441 level. That's, I think Friday's low. Yeah, Friday's low. As long as it's holding my 441 level, I'm bullish. If it's under 441.50, so if pretty much if loses Friday's low, I'm bearish on the day. But so far it looks great. Same with NVDA. I really like what NVDA is doing here, that it's holding 420 as support. 420 on NVIDIA. Next month. No, I'm sorry. The end of the month for Twilio and Net. Okay, so ooh, V, what is V doing? Okay. V just filled the gap. Visa just filled the gap. And we want to see Visa holding 234. 234 on Visa is a big deal. It's pretty much break and retest and a gap close to reversal if can hold 234. Okay, FedEx is holding very good. Ooh, Nvidia just went crazy. Like always, I'm gonna be patient here and wait for my entry. Okay, Twilio, it's dying. Twilio needs to hold 6280. If it doesn't hold 6280, I'm gonna get out. Damn, Nvidia is like going up too much. Ooh, that's an ugly rejection on Meta. FedEx, it's going up already. NVDA looks great, but it went up too fast for me to enter now. That will be chasing. Okay, Meta is definitely weak. QQQ is going up while Meta is rejecting and kinda going down. So coin is also kinda looking weak. Okay, what's strong right now? So I can see NVIDIA, FedEx, Meta, Amazon, and Google, and Apple and AMD are green. TSM, Snow, Twilio, CRM, Coin, and Tesla are red. Okay, Twilio, let's see if Twilio is gonna hold a that level. If not, I'm gonna get out because it needs to hold. So far it looks very, very weak. So Twilio needs to hold here, otherwise I'm gonna get out. That's an ugly rejection on Meta. Ugly, ugly. Okay, so let's see. Twilio needs to hold here. 62.88. It's pretty much the level that Twilio needs to hold for me to keep being in this trade. Otherwise, I'm cutting this one. Okay, I'm getting out. I don't like that move. Okay, I don't care anymore what Twilio is doing. I wanna see Visa. Ooh, look this bound on Visa. Visa bound really very strong of the gap and support. That's a gap close reversal there. And I'm breaking retest too on the daily. I like coin here, so I'm gonna take next week. Um, let's see, 78 on coin. No, you know what? I'm gonna take the 80 for next week. Yeah, I'm swinging. I think I'm gonna swing um coin. Okay, and I like this whole on meta. Let's see. I don't know why I'm not really getting filled on coin. And I got 250 calls on FTX weekly at 1, and I'm not getting filled on coin. I don't know why. So I think I missed my entry on coin because I don't know why I didn't get filled. Yeah, I'm not getting filled on coin. I did got filled on FTX 250 calls, but coin, yeah. So I still have open my field on coin, the 80 contracts for next week, but it's not filling me out. Oh. Okay, guys, watch meta. Meta here with QQQ going higher. Meta could break 289. Okay, meta. I don't know what's going on, but I'm not getting filled on anything. I only got FDX. I couldn't get filled on um coin. Oh, I finally got coin. Okay. That's so weird. So weird. Damn. Okay, watch meta. I wanna see meta holding 289. 289 as support. But QQQ it's about to hit resistance. So 371 is resistance on QQQ. So let's see if QQQ can break 371 and use it as support. That's a very bullish move. Otherwise, it will be a double top. But let's see. Also, 443 looks like a strong resistance on SPY. Mm, so everyone is having troubles getting filled. I got filled on FDX and coin. But coin was difficult. It couldn't get filled until like 2 minutes ago or something like that. But yeah, I got filled on FDX 250 calls for this week, and then also got for next week. Because ooh, that's a great very move on Meta. So now we want to see Meta holding 290, 289 as support, and any like deep, it's a good deep buy opportunity for Meta because 289, that resistance was a very strong resistance before. So now holding that resistance as support, it's extremely bullish on Meta. Visa with a beautiful uh gap close reversal there. 234. I said it last week and I think on Monday too. No, on Friday. That 244, 234. I wanted to see Visa holding going back down, fill that 234 gap and then use it as support. I'm gonna coin here. Coin might don't do anything today, but as long as it's holding 77, I'm bullish on coin and I want to see it. That's why I got for next week because I'm gonna swing coin as long as it's holding 77. And same with the 245 level on FDX. But yeah, coin looks very bullish. I love it. I love coin chart. I'm waiting for Meta to give me any good pullback to enter here. Okay, 371 on QQ. It's a big deal. If we want to see the market keep going higher, we want to see QQQ holding 371 as support. NVDA is very strong. Very. Okay, so QQQ kind of rejecting 371. We want to see it holding 371. 371. Are you guys in on anything, or because of the options change being weird you couldn't enter anything? Okay, so I'm looking meta to enter here, but I want to see QQQ holding 371 as support. Otherwise, I don't think I'm gonna enter meta. And SPY having trouble at 443, which I said 443 looks like a resistance on SPY. NVDA is crazy strong. Crazy strong. Okay, so I like what coins looking great. Damn. Meta. I missed meta. I wish I swing the meta that I had on Monday. But yeah. And I also missed the entry on NVIDIA. NVIDIA is going, it's very, very strong. Meta too. But I don't know. I kind of, like, I want to see this 372 hold on QQQ. Otherwise, I feel like I'm chasing at resistance, which is bad, like really bad trading. Okay, so that's an ugly rejection on SPY. We want to see a SPY holding for 43.20 as support. Yeah, QQQ keeps fighting that 372 level. Yeah, QQQ it's rejecting there. So yeah. Um, my favorites right now are NVIDIA and Meta, but I don't wanna chase here on their QQQ resistance. Either I see QQQ flagging here around 371, 370.50. Um, I don't know what's the PT on AI because I'm not on AI, guys. I'm not on AI. I played AI on Friday, and that was a day trade. I'm not swinging AI. I'm not on AI. I'm on Coin, FDX, CRM, Target, and Net. I never said I was swinging AI. I'm mad that I missed Meta, but well, FDX is doing great, so at least I'm on FDX. Any of you are on Meta or NVDA? I think those are the best one today. Okay, so Spy keeps fighting with 443. Nice, nice. I think I like even Nvidia more than Meta. Nvidia looks like so bullish. If breaks here 428, Nvidia can go easy to 440 again. I'm up 107% on FTX weekly. And on coin, only up 2%. CRM came back to life. I'm up 20% on the ones for next week, and I'm down 35% on the weekly on CRM. But I still love I love CRM chart because it's a bull flag on the weekly time frame. So a big move is gonna come for CRM. Okay, so QQQ it's having troubles around 371, and the VWAP is kinda VWAP and INEMA are kinda overlapping each other. So that's a little bit bearish, but it's only on the 5 minutes so chart, so it's not a big deal. Hey Kenny. Nice, nice. Let's see what AI is doing. Oh yeah, AI, you guys need to be careful with 39. 39 is a big resistance on AI. Well, yeah, yeah. 39 is a big resistance on AI. So if holds 39, it can go easy to 42, 43. But I kind of find difficult for AI to break 39 today. So we have data in 5 minutes. Let's see what's going on. QQQ keeps fighting this 371 resistance, but I like that it's kind of flagging there. I kind of want QQQ to go down so I can see, so maybe Meta can go down, retest 290 and hold. That will be perfect. But I think I'm asking for too much for today Meta going back down to 290. Okay, I want to see QQQ going down to VWAP and hold VWAP. So how are you guys doing so far? For me, today it's a little bit kind of difficult day because when the market moves that fast, like the first few minutes, it's kind of difficult for me because I don't like trading like that. That first move on the market was too fast. Okay, so we have data right now at 10. Are we gonna hold the market SPY and QQ? Are we gonna hold here? Are you gonna keep flagging or is it gonna go lower? So looks like QQQ is flagging. I don't like what coin is doing. If it loses 77, I'm gonna get out. So I got something like very risky. Don't don't follow me on this. I got NVDA 440 weekly. Again, don't do this because I think this one is very risky play. If QQQ can hold VWAP, I'm gonna get out of this NVIDIA play. Yeah, I got stop out also on Meta on Monday. But Spy looks like it wants more. I think Spy is gonna try to fill the gap here till 444, 443.90. Spy looks a little stronger than QQQ right now. I don't like this QQQ candle here. It's a clear rejection. But keeps rejecting 371. But I think it's flagging here, so I think you kind of getting ready to break this resistance. We'll see. Let's see. We'll see. It's looking great so far. Ooh, so Spy. We want to see Spy holding here and keeps flagging. That 289 break on Meta was so beautiful. This move was the move that I was expecting on Monday. I wanted to see Meta break that 289 resistance on Monday. But that was dumb on me because Monday was a low volume day, so breaking a strong resistance on a low volume day, it's like I don't think that's viable. Okay, we want to see this on QQQ. That's very bullish. Let's see if we can finally break a 371. Still consolidating, consolidation on the resistance. For me, that's bullish. You want to see coin holding 77. And FTX, we want to see holding pre-market high. No, let's see. 248. We want to see it today, 248 for continuation for more upside. And look, Visa that um That gap close reversal was so clean. 234, fill the gap, hold it as support, and bouncing from the gap. And also that was a break and retest on the daily. Look, 234, 235 was resistant before and was the top of the bull flag on Visa, and now today hold it as support and bounced very hard from it, so that's very bullish. I can see Visa going higher and higher till at least 242. So that was a very clean play. Another one that I didn't catch today. Okay, NVDA is doing great. It's breaking out from that flag that I entered. I like NVIDIA holding 428. Above 428 is very bullish on NVIDIA, and I can see more continuation on this upside. Damn, Q371 keeps rejecting. I guess right now it's time for patience. We had the big move. Now we have consolidation. We either hold here and keeps going higher or reject this resistance. And it's having a lot of trouble at 371. A lot of trouble here. We don't want to see QQQ losing three. Well, it can go back down to VWAP, and then if holds VWAP, it's still bullish. And same with SPY. So I'm gonna put NVIDIA here because I'm not in Meta. So beautiful that 420 support. That 420 hold on NVIDIA was so perfect. So perfect. Okay, I like FTX hold. I like this coin holding here, 77. We want to see that. We want to see coin holding 77. We want to see FedEx holding 248. And we want to see NVIDIA holding 428. Next week. I'm next week on coin. Like if you see coin holding 77, I think it's a good entry. Only if keeps holding 77. Ooh, Meta filled the entire gap till 294, 295. It has a little bit more room to go till 300, pretty much. So we want to see Meta holding 294 support. Yeah, look. So on the daily, let's see. Okay. So Meta broke out here this 289 resistance, definitely with a very strong daily candle, bullish candle. Fill the gap till 294, 295, and I was looking here the next resistance on Meta. Um, so it's right now kind of resistance to 294, 295 is resistance on Meta. If can hold, if can hold 295, 294 at support, the next one is pretty much 300. So it will be this entire gap here to 300. Honestly, I want to see Meta rejecting here and I want it back to 290, but I don't think that's gonna happen. 290, it would be like perfect for a break and retest on Meta. But I don't think that that's gonna happen. In coin, let's see. I think above Monday high, Monday? Yeah, Monday high, it's extremely bullish on, I'm sorry, not coin, NVDA. So NVIDIA holding 428 as support is extremely bullish. Oh yeah, you broke that 371. That's a beautiful break of resistance. It's gonna make everything fly. For 30.50 can be a little bit of resistance on NVIDIA. Let's see. But I think the main one is 436 and then 440. Yeah, 436. But this daily candle on Nvidia is very, very, very bullish. If Nvidia can close like this, I think it's gonna keep going higher the rest of the week. Anybody got on Nvidia with me? On that flag, little flag? I got Nvidia here on this flag. Mata, if you want to play Mata, or I don't know how you pronounce, in Riot, both move with Bitcoin. So if you want to play those, I will play it with shares, not options, honestly. 26% up on those NVDA contracts. Mm-mm. It's CRM finally breaking out. Like if CRM can close the day, so if CRM is gonna close the daily candle like this, that's very, very bullish. I wanna see CRM breaking 218. No, I'm sorry, 214, and then hold it as support. That will be extremely bullish of CRM. But yeah, I hope we can finally break this week, because I've been all over CRM for a while now. Ooh, Visa. Look, Visa, guys. Anybody took that break and retest on Visa? That 234 hold on Visa? That was so beautiful. I missed it. Well, I have one runner. Only one runner from two. It was 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago when I got Visa. I don't even remember. I only have one runner. But I was looking to re-enter Visa here, and I miss it again. Nice, nice. Okay, so um, nice. Yeah, Visa looks amazing. Look, this daily candle looks amazing, and pretty much have no resistance till 242. So Visa has a lot of, like, a easy run. Like it has a little bit resistance at 240, and the next one, the big one, it's 242. So if you have time, I will hold Visa, like, with my eyes closed. Very easy play there. So FTX, I'm not even gonna look FTX unless it breaks 245, 244, and I have an alert there. So yeah, FTX, if loses 245, I'll be looking to get out. Otherwise, I'm still gonna hold FTX. What is Amazon doing? Ooh, keeps rejecting 131. That 131 rejection on Amazon is so ugly. But Amazon's kind of like Meta. The day it breaks 131 with a strong bullish move, it's gonna move a lot. Like a lot. Yeah, CRM looks amazing so far. Looking very good. Gonna move here. Oh yeah, NVDA, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Coin is not doing anything, but maybe today what coin is gonna do, it's just a consolidation inside candle, and I think that's very healthy. Very healthy. Ooh, 40% up on NVDA. 40% up on NVDA. Love it. Now I want to see NVIDIA holding 430 as support, and the next resistance is gonna be 435. But I think NVIDIA, if QQQ keeps going higher, I think NVIDIA can go easy to 440. But we need to watch out SPY, because SPY at 444 is, it's a weekly. I was looking the SPY weekly chart, and 444 is a very strong resistance, like very strong resistance. It's a weekly resistance, but this week candle, if closes above 444, I think it's a very bullish indication for a SPY, and but it needs to hold 444, 445. Otherwise, we can still go to 444, 445 and reject there. But the weekly above 445, it's it's like extremely bullish for SPY. So if a SPY can close above 444, 445, and hold there, if it closed like that, like this week closes like that, SPY can go easy to 448, 447.50. 447.50 is an easy move for SPY, but we need to break 444. But yeah, the weekly on SPY is extremely bullish if can break 444. But 444 is a strong resistance, like very strong resistance. FTX dying, well, you know what's my stop loss on FTX. So as long as FTX is holding my above my stop loss, I'm gonna be in my play. And it's for next week. So yeah, so I'm fine with FTX as long as it's not breaking my stop loss. And same with coin. If coin doesn't break my stop loss, I'm gonna keep holding coin. Damn, CRM. CRM. Ooh, CRM. If CRM can hold 214, that's a break of the big flag that I've been talking about about CRM. Like, look, this beautiful flag on the daily, and even better, it looks even better on the weekly. So a weekly flag breakout, it's a massive move. Massive. Like, huge. I knew CRM was gonna move. We just needed patience with this one. We needed patience. But yeah, we need a 214 break. That 214 break. 53% up on NVDA. I'm gonna take some profit here. 54%, 55%, 56% now. I'm taking a little profit here. I'm gonna sell 70%, yeah, of my contracts on NVIDIA. So now I only have runners and are completely risk-free. So that was a good one. Even though I feel like chasing, it was a good play. Okay, so yeah, so far, great morning. Great morning. Okay, so its SPY is definitely going back to 443.50, 444. That's a huge level for a SPY. I honestly don't see a SPY breaking that level, at least not today. I don't think it's gonna break that level today. I don't know. I find it kind of difficult for a SPY breaking a strong weekly resistance on a short wick like this one. Um, you want to play put at strong resistance. So right now, I will not play puts unless you see, because tech is, I'm sorry, Tesla is tech. So you want to see QQQ weak for any put play on any tech stock. So I will not take puts right now. And for on Tesla, even more difficult to take puts on Tesla. Tesla is always weird when it comes to puts. So no, I will not take puts. Um, because the way I trade, I don't like puts here. Obviously, Tesla could go down here, but for me, it's not a good play. Tesla has a very strong support at 275, 276. If you want to scalp, maybe on their VWAP, maybe you can play puts there, but that's going against the trend. What's your next support on NVDA? NVDA 428 is your next support. What about net? What did I say about net? What's my plan on net? I think I talked about net like a few times already. I said net is a long-term swing trade. As long as net is holding my stop loss, I'm not gonna get out. So I'm following my plan. I'm not even gonna look net unless my alerts on the stop loss pop off. Otherwise, I'm not even gonna look that chart. Mm. Okay, so love, love, love CRM. We want to see CRM holding 214. If can hold 214 and support, the next one, it's gonna be this resistance here around 217. Yeah, 217 is kind of our next resistance. 216, 217. Kind of, this is our resistance here. Okay, so SPY near the strong 443, 50, 444 resistance that I've been talking about. So let's see. If you're in any calls, I will take some profits here, honestly. I will take some profit here because SPY it's about to hit a very strong resistance. Lock some profits here. So what's the plan on it? Like I see you're kind of like I don't think you're following the plan. What's the plan on it? You're being impatient. Or maybe you got in on a short term mindset on net. When I said net, it's a kind of like a I'm gonna hold net for days, maybe weeks, unless it breaks my stop loss. Oh yeah, guys, remember to like the video. I only have 45 likes and 100 people here. Only 45 likes. Okay, is this pi gonna break this resistance here? Is it gonna do a triple top or is it gonna break it? Okay, so Coin and FedEx were both bouncing back, both looking great. Coin definitely looking great. It's doing a daily inside candle. 245, 246 looks like a very strong support on FedEx, so we're doing fine so far on both. 65 minutes. So, like I said, SPY is in a very strong near the very strong resistance. So I will not enter any calls here. Yeah, it looks like it's flagging, but again, if a SPY is at strong resistance, like a very strong resistance, like a weekly resistance, I will not take calls here. In fact, I'll be looking to take some profits. CAD today just did a break, retest, gap close reversal also because it fills the gap to 244.25 and it bouncing from there. Let's see the weekly on gap, on CAD. Mm, weekly? I don't play cup and handles. I don't like those that pattern, honestly. Yeah, it kind of looks like a cup and handle, but also it's a very strong resistance. Oh, so you want to see, I only like CAD. I don't like CAD here. I kind of would like see CAD going back down to 435 and hold it as support. That's the entry that I like on CAD. Here, um, I don't like here the risk to reward here. It's right at resistance. It's near resistance. So 450, it's a strong resistance on CAD. So yeah, if goes back down to 435, 430, I think it's a good opportunity for entry. Otherwise, I don't like CAD. On the daily, it's rejecting the resistance there. And I don't think it's gonna break it this week, honestly. Yeah, I don't love this chart for a swing. It could definitely go back up to 247.30 and fill this gap. But again, the risk to reward here is no good. Yeah, no problem. So I don't know, even though the market moved a lot today, like early morning, I feel today it's a kind of like a weird, boring day for me. I don't know why. I feel that way. Well, I do know why. The market moved fast. The first like 5 minutes of market open, like the first, not even the first 5 minutes. It was like the first like 3 minutes of after market open, and then everything kind of like moved slowly after that. And for me, because the way I trade, it was kind of difficult to trade in the morning. So now we want to see QQQ holding 372, 371, like the previous resistance. We want to see it holding a support. That will be very bullish on QQQ. And if you can flag above 371, it will be even better. Oh, because when you look daily or weekly charts, you know it's gonna take days to develop that move. So the bigger the time frame, the more time you need for the stock to move your way, to move your way. So if you see a 5 minute chart and you see a pattern there, that pattern maybe it's gonna do it the same day, but the daily, the weekly, bigger time frames, you need more time. So how far do I take those move? It's difficult to say. It depends where the stock is at that time. So if I see um a weekly um bull flag, I have no idea how many days it's gonna take, but I know it's gonna take days to develop. So maybe just like CRM is taking like 2 weeks to move, but coin move, like when I saw this bull flag, coin, I think it moved the next day on this bull flag. Let me check when was the day that I was looking that bull flag and I entered coin. Hmm, where's coin? Okay, so I saw coin on the 26th. Coin bull flag. I saw it on the 26th and it was at the top of that bull flag. So I know if coin broke this bull flag, the next day I it's already breaking out. But if coin were around 53, which is the base of the bull flag, I would need like more days because you need this entire move for the bull flag breakout. So it depends where the stock is when you see the bull flag on the weekly, on the daily. So yeah, coin broke out, I think the next day, because it was at the top of that bull flag. But CRM, um, so when I saw CRM, first of all, I was looking CRM to play put because it was fighting this 210 resistance, and but 210 it's pretty much almost at the base of the bull flag, so you need more time. But now it's at the top pretty much, so you don't need that much time. So can you see like what I'm looking? It depends where you enter inside the flag, if it is on the weekly and even on the daily. I don't know if it was normal. You need to check how was the option chain on NVDA. Also, how was the IV? How high was the IV on NVIDIA? AMD, what's AMD doing? I don't like AMD here. AMD is clearly rejecting this 116 level. It's kind of looking bearish, AMD. AMD, yeah, you need, for calls on AMD, you need to hold these rejection points as support. Right now it's looking very bearish, AMD. Definitely. Yeah, AMD is not looking good, like, at all. Also, when you have look, so if you see AMD daily, it has rejection, like it support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days here. That's a very strong resistance now, because it was strong support for 7 days. Now you need a lot of consolidation around this resistance, and you need a strong daily break on this resistance, because it's a very strong resistance. So no, I don't like AMD calls here. And also, I don't think it's gonna break it this week, because it was resistant for so long that you need a lot of like volume for this break here. So no. You want to see, first of all, you want to see AMD breaking 116 with a strong bullish candle, and you want to see it holding a support and consolidate above 116 or 117 and hold there, maybe for a few days or maybe 2 days. That will be indication that 116, 117 is acting as support now. In fact, I kind of like AMD here for puts, not not calls. But everything depends how this daily candle is gonna close. But so far, it's looking very bearish. So far. and even more bearish with SPY rejecting resistance and kinda QQQ kinda acting a little bit bearish. Like I said, we want to see QQQ holding 371. And it's under pre-market low also. So maybe, in fact, I think AMD with this high resistance here, and if QQ loses 371, I think AMD here under 150 on their pre-market low, I think it's a good put play. AMD for a good swing put play if it keeps rejecting pre-market low. Okay, I think I'm gonna take AMD put for a swing. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if it keeps rejecting this pre-market low. I want to see it rejecting this pre-market low here. Okay, it's rejecting pre-market low. Today's Wednesday. I don't know if I want to swing, like, I don't know if I want to, I know if keeps rejecting 116 and use 116 as resistance, I know it's gonna go way lower, but I don't know if I'm gonna take um this week or next week puts on AMD. I'm gonna take weekly, this is a high risk, weekly 115 puts. Yeah. It's kind of risky because QQQ still looks bullish. It's holding 371. Um, yeah, so if breaks 116 and use it as support, no, you know what? If SPY breaks 144 and use it as support, um, I'll get it. I get out on AMD. 1 second. Okay. I kind of like it more to wait until SPY goes to 444 and then take put AMD put for next week. I like more that play. But so far is AMD is struggling here. I don't think it's gonna break that 118. So with these AMD boots, I think I'm gonna get out if, yeah, if a spy can break 444 and use it as support and looks bullish here. Yeah, these resistance here on the red area that I have on SPY, or if AMD can break pre-market high and use it as support. I gotta do something. I'll be back in like 1 minute. And I'm back. Coin. Okay. Okay, so far I really like this AMD put play. It's looking great. Coin, we need coin holding 77. It's kind of fighting there, that 77 level. QQQ, it's still looking bullish. It's still holding 371. So as long as QQQ keeps holding 371, I'm bullish on tech, but I'm not bullish on AMD because AMD on their pre-market low is very bearish. Mm, But so far, we're looking great. FTX is holding pretty good. Coin if keeps holding 77, it's good for the swing. QQQ it's holding 371, which is gonna help NVDA to keep going higher. The only thing is like it's a big level. For SPY, it's where it is right now. SPY, where it is right now, it's a big level of resistance. Big one. Big one. Okay. Love that AMD move. That's um very bearish. Damn, Twilio, I hate you too. Twilio stopped me out. I got out of Twilio on the lowest point here. Twilio now looks extremely bullish. Very bullish. And these bounce on the lowest of the support on the bull flag is extremely bullish. Like this daily candle so far on Twilio is very bullish. That's why you want to see any stock to do if you're swinging plays and you're planning on trading this bull flag. So I think Twilio stopped me out, but I think Twilio looks amazing, honestly. If you want, yeah, I will get back on Twilio. I'm not gonna play Twilio because this um type of stocks makes me, I don't know, it's boring for me. I don't like playing those stocks. That's why I got in. When I got in, I said I was gonna play with a small position because stocks that move only $1, I don't know, for me are very boring. So, but yeah, I think Twilio looks fantastic. And if you have a small account, I think Twilio is perfect. So this flag on Twilio, I think is great. Easy, very easy to play, very friendly for small accounts. So yeah. The flag is still bullish. Like Twilio is still inside this flag. I think Twilio can still make the same move that we talked a few days before. So um you're pretty much risking today's low and your PT, like my PT will be 69, around 69, 68, 90. So this is 3.59 risk to reward. I think that's amazing. I'm not gonna take it, but if you guys want to take it, I think that play is amazing. I think that play is great. And I'm getting all out on NVDA. Yeah. But yeah, I still think this play is great. 3.59 risk to reward, it's fantastic. Everything above 198, above 2, it's very good. Oh yeah, that AMD boot, so good. So good. You know what? I'm gonna hold coin as long as it's holding 76. Yeah. I know I said it was 77, but I kinda like 76. So if you don't feel comfortable holding coin for next week, if loses 77, you should get out. Don't follow me, but I'm gonna hold coin unless it breaks 76. Yeah. So I'm putting my alert there. 76. I also like spy puts here, but I'm already in AMD puts, but spy puts here, very good risk to reward there also. You guys holding good so far today? Kind of boring day. I don't know why I feel today is very boring, but yeah, it just like that move at the beginning of the day, the morning, early morning, like let's see. Okay, so as long as QQQ is holding 371 or the VWAP is still bullish, if QQQ loses VWAP, we're definitely going down. But so far it kind of looks bearish. And NVIDIA I'm sorry, AMD put looking beautiful. Mm, 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 mm. Ooh, AMD dying here. AMD dying. Coin is dying too. 31% up on AMD. I'm still up on FDX. Even though it's going well, FDX is kind of holding. Coin definitely going down. Meta it's holding. AMD dying. Oh yeah, coin has a little gap till 72, 71.90. Yeah, but that gap is way too far on coin. Way too far. I think before that, coin has a strong, it should, like 74, it should act as a strong support on coin. Target, I don't know. Target, I don't know what else do you want me to say about Target. I've seen Target pretty much every day. Nothing to say in here. It's not doing anything. Like I said it like 1,000 times. Target needs to break 134, 135 and use it as support. Nothing has changed on Target. Nothing. 130, 131 is your support on Target. And 134, 135 is your resistance. So if you see the target daily, it's pretty much bouncing from 131 and then rejecting at 135. It's doing nothing. It's pretty much on a channel. You want to see that channel break? So far, today it's making lower high. No, I'm sorry, higher low. So that's bullish. This is still in a uptrend. But yeah, I don't see nothing else to say on Target. Not much to say on that one. Who's on AMD puts with me? Who got those AMD puts? AMD, it's so weak. Love it. Meta is holding very good. It's definitely telling you the Meta 289 break it's gonna hold. I think AMD is gonna fill the gap till 113.95 around then, 114. First of all, it needs to lose Monday low. Monday low, if AMD breaks Monday low, it's gonna maybe we're gonna get a way bigger move here. But so far, QQQ, it's kind of trying to hold there. Yeah, so first of all, AMD has a gap to fill to 114. That's the gap, the first gap. And then it has another gap to 111. But I don't think we're gonna get that unless QQQ dies here. Yeah, the gap fill is my first PT on AMD. But right now, here, it's a good uh profit taking. Yeah, I will take profit here because this is support here. AMD right now is at support, even though QQQ broke VWAP is looking very bearish. Also, AMD is looking very bearish. You want to take profits at support if you're playing puts. 42% up on those puts. We're looking good. Coin 23% down. That's why I like to take next week most of the time. And on Wednesday, yeah, I want to give a little bit of time for the trade to develop. But yeah, definitely like those puts with with the SPY rejecting here this 444 resistance. QQQ, it's under VWAP, so those puts are looking great. Also, this 30-minute candle on QQQ, it's extremely bearish. Very, very bearish. Next support on QQQ is 370. Yeah, CRM is looking bearish. It had a head and shoulder, but obviously because QQQ is bearish, everything on tech is gonna look bearish right now. It's gonna go down or it's gonna have trouble going higher. Coke Cola. Oh yeah, I have a bunch of snacks. I do have a bunch of snacks. Okay, so I bought pretty much every single flavor from the legendary Pop Tart because I've been loving it so much. It's so, so, so good. I think this brand is the best bars and protein snacks out there. Like amazing macros and the taste is so good. So this one is the blueberry. I've tried this one before. This one's very good. I bought the strawberry. I haven't tried this one. I also got again the brown sugar cinnamon. Also very good. I've tried this one before. Okay, so I bought this wild berry donut. It's a sweet roll. Looks amazing. I got the cookies and cream Pop Tart. Not tried this flavor before. I also got the hot fudge sundae. Another cookies and cream. And the chocolate sweet roll. So we have a lot of options here. A lot of options. Lots of options. First of all, I'm gonna take more profits on AMD. Those AMD puts are 40%. I'm taking profits here a little bit. Okay. Okay, very good. So, first time trying the strawberry cookies and cream, wild berry donut, and hot sundae chocolate fudge. Oh, and I also have the cinnamon donut. So which one it's gonna be? I have a lot of options. Lots and lots of options. So this is what I want to try. I want to try the strawberry or the cookies and cream or the wild berry donut. So you guys vote which one I'm gonna try today. Strawberry, cookies and cream, or wild berry donut. So which one is gonna be? Which one is gonna be today? Oh, or the hot punch. Hot punch also looking great. So we have four options: strawberry, cookies and cream, wild berry, and hot fudge sundae. Cookies and cream? Okay. Okay, so I guess the cookies and cream it is. That's the winner for the day. Okay, so I gotta put it on the microwave for 10 seconds because that made a huge difference the other day that I put it on the microwave. So I'll be back in like 1 minute. And I need more coffee too. I'm back with coffee and the cookies and cream Pop Tart. Look, it looks really good. It looks really good. I put it on the microwave like 10 seconds. Let's try it out. Mmm. 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 It's really good. Look, inside, I don't think you guys are gonna see much because it's just dark. But it tastes really good. Okay, okay, now probably you guys are gonna see how it looks inside. Mm. I think this brand, everything that this brand made, it's so good. Like it doesn't taste like a protein bar at all. It looks great. If you don't put it on the microwave, it's a little bit dry, but it tastes like I don't know, it tastes really good. Mm. Yeah. And 10 seconds in the microwave is perfect because it gets a little bit warm and it melts inside, but outside it's just a little bit warm. Yeah. I forgot to read the macros. But okay, so the macros are 180 calories, 9 grams of fat, 22 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein. So I think the macros are very good. Only 180 calories for 20 grams of protein. It's very good. So yeah, definitely love this. What's the brand? The Legendary Food brand. Very good. Mm. Big fan here. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, so far I've tried this one, the cinnamon roll. It's amazing. It tastes literally like the cinnamon roll. I bought this one and this one. I haven't tried these two, but I have it here. So we're gonna try it this week. Ooh, look, it's melting inside. Mm. Okay, so we tried last week. We tried this one, the brown cinnamon sugar. It's amazing. I've tried also here the birthday cake and the blueberry. I bought the strawberry, so we're gonna try it this week. Right now, I'm eating the cookies and cream flavor. It doesn't taste like cookies and cream, but it tastes really good. mm, I think my least favorite is the red velvet, but it's still good. Yeah. Mm. How much is the box for this? This is my favorite. 32? Damn. 32 and I can get a 10% off, right? but then I'm gonna pay for shipping. Maybe next time I'm gonna do like a giveaway of these one of these flavors here. They have recipes also? What? Yeah, I'm not gonna cook anything. I'm just gonna eat it. I'm just gonna buy it already made and I'm gonna eat it. Not a big cooker here. Yeah, maybe my next, I'm gonna do a giveaway with one of these boxes. The, yeah. Okay, so the market's bouncing a little bit. Let's see, QQQ is gonna reject here VWAR, which it looks like it's gonna reject it. CRM, it's holding. I want to say CRM holding 212. 212 is a good hold on CRM. And coin, it's coming back to life. It's above 77 again. I hate you, Twilio. Look this. Anybody got on Twilio again? I really like Twilio now. In fact, I love Twilio now. Because this daily candle is very bullish, so that is telling me that Twilio is definitely holding that bull flag. But well, next time. So I was looking SQ on Sunday. When? No, last night. I was looking SQ last night and I completely forgot about it this morning. But SQ has a inverse head and shoulder, a little bit weird, but I still think it's an inverse head and shoulder. And with this daily candle here, this move, it's definitely getting very, very bullish. If breaks 70, so pretty much 69 and hold it as support, I think it's gonna go back to 73, 72.50. So yeah, I think SQ could be a good one. And it's moving very strong with the market kind of going down. SQ keeps going higher. So this is a big watch for tomorrow because this is definitely stronger than the market. So Meta and SQ, big watch for tomorrow for more upside. I don't know. Should I take puts here on SPY? Kind of feel like taking puts here on SPY. That's a very strong resistance. I don't think SPY is gonna break it today. Don't think so. With well, well, no, we have Feds talking at 2, so anything can happen. So no, I'm not gonna take that. But yeah, that um cookies and cream Pop Tart was amazing. It just I don't think it really tastes like cookies and cream, but it still tastes very good. I didn't feel any cookies there, but it was great. Still good. Yeah, so you guys, if you wanna if you feel risky and you're willing to put a little bit of money on the table just to see what will happen, you can take a spy put here with a stop loss above 444.30 around there. So basically Friday high with Friday high, yeah. In mind, if you have Friday, look, it's been 444, 443.50. It's been resistant for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 days, counting today. May keeps acting as resistance, most likely, yeah. Most likely, yes. I'm not gonna take it because I already have AMD puts, but I think the use to reward there is great. Ooh, we're almost at 12. So in 10 minutes, I think I'm gonna be ending this live. For me today was a weird day. I don't know. Even though I make money on NVDA, I'm making money on AMD. I'm holding like I'm not I'm kind of up a little bit, like 2% on XDX on the weekly, no, on the next week. Uh, Let me check that one. So, 14% on FDX 250 weekly and 12% down on the next week. I don't understand why, but yeah. Let's see. Coin is 14% down. 14, 1, 4. AMD, it's 35% up. What else? CRM is 50% down on the weeklies and is 20% up on the next week calls. I really like this FTX and coin hold. Um, for a coin, we still have a week, a little bit more than a week and a half. And FTX is holding, it's not doing much, but I like this daily. I like this daily. If keeps holding 245, 246, it's still very good. Yeah, this week is gonna be weird. Definitely is gonna be weird. We only have it's a short week, so yeah, the volume is gonna be probably lower than any other week. We have FOMC in a few, I think in 2 hours. No, I use market limit to enter any trade. Yes, I'm holding net. The only put that I'm holding right now is AMD. Twilio, it's back at our entry, but I think the market's gonna go lower today, honestly. So I'm gonna wait. I will wait until tomorrow or maybe Monday next week to see, or maybe tomorrow. I wanna see how Twilio is gonna close, how Twilio daily candle is gonna look, and also the entire market, because even if Twilio looks very good, but if SPY looks bearish and it keeps having trouble around 444, I'm not gonna re-enter this one. I'm not gonna keep talking about net. How many times I'm gonna have to say the same thing about net? If you are in net, you should know what's the plan. If you don't know the plan, you shouldn't be on this trade. And if you know the plan, you should just follow the plan, and that's it. I've been asked about net like 5 times today. NVDA with that 430 rejection. Ooh, 430 looks like a strong resistance there on NVIDIA. Um, NVIDIA under 420 will be a beautiful, beautiful put play again. So I think it's more like 421. If NVIDIA loses today's low, ooh, that's a, yeah, 421, 420. Under 420, 421. NVIDIA can really melt back down to 401. That's it. Like AMD fighting this 114.50. That support from Friday. Definitely support from Monday. Support today. I want to see AMD losing this 114.50 support and fill the gap till 114. which I think it's gonna do if QQQ keeps going lower. Yeah, meta is for I'm only gonna look meta for a call play, but I'm not gonna take any calls if QQQ is weak like this. Like the trend right now, it's bearish. So you don't wanna play calls in a bearish trend. And also I can definitely see a head and shoulder here on QQQ. Very clear head and shoulder, and it's under VWAP. So no, I'm not looking for calls here. Definitely not. Look. Anybody took that for that rejection on SPY, those 443 puts? Those 443 puts were so good. Net 64. Okay, now you guys ask about net. Let's see, I got an alert there, so now I need to see net. Oh no, so net, it's just like Twilio. Needs to lose this bull flag floor or support 62.50. Otherwise, I'm gonna still be in net. Like my stop loss on net is 62. So yeah, intraday looks ugly, but if you zoom out and look, the daily looks great. The weekly looks good if can hold 62.50, 62.40. But yeah, I think it's gonna go back down to 62. Because looking the weekly, I think, yeah, it's gonna go down to 62. So like I said, when I enter, I said, I'm gonna enter here. If it goes lower, I'm gonna add more. And my stop loss is 62. So that's my plan on net. If you feel uncomfortable holding net for that low, for 62, just don't enter that play. And that's it. So yeah, QQQ, very weak. SPY rejected, beautiful rejection on 443, 443.70, 444. Definitely looking bearish, but it's still fighting that VWAP. VWAP is, if SPY keeps holding VWAP, is bullish. If loses VWAP, it is extremely bearish. Coin back up 77, which is great. Looking good with a daily inside candle. Yeah, this blue zone on coin was the gap fill. I'm gonna check it out. But look this gap fill. Yeah, coin looks great. Looks great. Yeah, definitely 277, 276. It's an important level there. And because of this candle is the weekly, we want to see it holding 76. So for the weekly, we want to see holding 76 so it can keep go higher. And the next resistance is 85. Like a strong resistance around 85. Yeah, definitely 84, 85. Yeah. Here, resistance, resistance here too, and here too. And FDX, what is FDX doing? Oh yeah, FDX looks great. It's not doing anything today, but kind of looks like a flag, but I don't think it's gonna do much today. But I love that it's holding. So if you see a stock that it's been very strong the past few days and then it's holding support and the market is going down and that stock is holding, that's very, very bullish, even though it's not doing anything. That for me, that's a strong indication that FDX is very bullish. 245, 246, even 245, above 245, it's bullish. FDX. Mm, where is? Yeah, Target keeps doing nothing. It's your just eating premium here. Um, oh yeah. Net going down today. Um, yeah, it's probably gonna go down to 64, 63, and you want to see it holding there. If not, it's gonna go back down to 62 again. But I think it's gonna hold 62 because 62 it's been a very strong support the past few weeks. So yeah, Twilio, yeah, Twilio is very strong also. Like this, very bullish. Weekly and daily bull flag. Today hold this support very good. Wake me out. Kind of mad that I got out on Twilio when Twilio was still holding morning low, but okay, that's fine. No, I don't pay attention to data view. I honestly only trade with my technical analysis. I don't really pay attention to what data says. I do pay attention to uh when data is coming because I know the market is gonna move weird. It's gonna make a weird move, like strong up or down. So I do need we need to pay attention when the data is coming, but I don't even care what the data says. So I'm 43% on AMD. I'm holding two runners, and yeah, I think I'm done for the day. So I'm holding I'm swinging coin, my AMD runners, CRM, FDX, net, and target. So yeah, that's it for the day. Thank you guys for being here. See you tomorrow, same channel, same hour. Bye.